So we managed to make it to Gaza last night somehow, and trust me, the roads were not so good, which is why we got so tired while on our way back. Well, we were coming here actually, and we almost gave up. Luckily, the minute we entered, we found this really nice cafe, which is the Himalayan Cafe, which is ironically what we are riding on also. And turns out this place is really cool. We got a sweet deal. We stayed back here. We ate, hogged rather, and now we're good to go. So we'll be heading to Dankar. We're going to chill there for some time and then head to Mood Village where we'll be staying the night. So yeah, that's the plan of action. It's around 11 AM in the morning and we are having a breakfast. And iske baad hum nikal rahe hain for Mood Village where we're going to spend the night. And just have a look at my breakfast. The breakfast, the food is amazing. And this is overloaded cheese omelette, loaded with sausages. This is Nutella pancake, this is cold coffee. This is what I call breakfast of champions. And now we're gonna eat, and I think we'll be full till afternoon, and we'll see you at Mood Village.
So we had our food and all set to leave for Mood Village. Initial plan was to move for Dankar, but because of the time constraint, I don't think वहाँ तक जा पाएंगे हम. Next stop is Mood. We'll all be heading to Mood. Damn nice cafe. You should definitely come here. See you. Take care. चलो. Some pure off-roading. Super view. Look at that, man. Scrape the sky like a bird on a wire and run away, run away, run away. Got nothing to lose, nothing to lose. No, this is what I call pure off-roading. Just look at this. I am just going crazy. Safe to say, by far the best riding experience I've had so far. Plus the journey from Gaza to Mood was just getting better. No complaints whatsoever. After all, this was my first trip to the valley and I was convinced that there is no place like this in the world. I was just getting so excited looking and experiencing the smallest of things that I had a constant smile on my face. A smile that you're bound to have while you're en route Mood because of its landscape. Lush and green, making it different from the rest of the areas in Spiti Valley. The last village of the Spiti Valley, Mood, is also known by many trekking enthusiasts as this is where the famous Baba trek ends. We met one such hiker who was finding it difficult to reach Mood and asked him to hop on since we were heading in the same direction. Yeah? Heading ahead? Yeah, most probably because we've got our friends also waiting for us
Where?
I think they are ahead of us somewhere. We were a little behind. But nice to meet you, man.
Nice.
What do you do?
I work at Microsoft. I was here for a trek, Pin Bhava trek.
Okay.
I finished it yesterday, so I'm just hanging around. Looking
Oh,
around.
nice. So you're based out of Bangalore?
I am based out of Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. Nice to meet you, man.
Nice man. Thanks for the
Thanks.
ride.
No problem, bro. Cheers. Have a good time. So we finally arrived at Mudh, and this is what it looks like. So Mudh is the last village of Pin Valley, and looks pretty gorgeous actually. Quite like a traditional Himachali gaon. And yeah, I like the whole architecture of how they put in things in place. Damn nice. There's a little bit of goof up though. It's just me, Udit and Priyanka who have made it to Mudh. The other 3 people don't know where these guys are. We're supposed to be there with them, but unfortunately we don't even have a phone. Yeah, we don't even have a phone to connect with them. And so I think what we can do right now is wait for these guys and just wait. So since the rest of the people are somewhere, we plan to just take a walk around the village. One thing about the mountains for sure is you'll always get a very happy dog who'll follow you around wherever you're going. Make sure you reach wherever you want to reach. Finally, look who's here. Ginger lemon tea? I don't mind ginger lemon tea.
गंजा सा बोला किसने तो बोला ही होगा ये किसी ने किस और था ये उधर ही ये था 3 बंदे 2 बाइक पे थे और बैग वगैरह खाना वाना खा के तो बैग यहीं पे रख दिए नसा आप ही बारे में बताया था आप ही बारे में
But finally we've come together. Finally, we are all at one place. I'm not showing to anybody. I'm just showing it on my camera. This is what my egg looks like. अरे गिर गया मैं. वो मुझे उसे गुदगुदी नहीं होती है. Meg is in trouble.
Now you get it.
शक्ल देखो.
Up to think. I didn't watch.
This is why local people don't like Delhi people.
Yeah, because this is what they do, create ruckus.
चिकन मोमो 2 प्लेट नहीं वेज
ये देखो भूखा आदमी. चिकन मोमो भी खाएगा, थुप्पा भी खाएगा, पिज्जा भी खाएगा, चाय भी पिएगा, सब करेगा ये.
मेरे तारा कैफे राइट नाउ
चाउमीन भी ऑर्डर हो गया.
मोमोज कितने के हैं मोमोज 1 प्लेट की है इतने सारे लोग 1 पीस खाएंगे
ये देखो भाई,
वेज खाएंगे ब्रो
ये एक ही प्लेट दीदी, एक ही प्लेट करो. So that was our breakfast spot, and we were staying at Pin Parvati Hotel. Yeah, that's the place. Pretty reasonable for its rate, and since there are very few homestays here, this was one of the best, I think. You can come here, and the food is actually very nice, so you can definitely have your breakfast, lunch, dinner, whatever you want to have. Other than that, something really crazy happened last night. The view that I got from here, if you can see this view that I have in my background. We're sitting here on the terrace and gazing through the landscape here, and there's something about it. I don't know. The moon, the way it was shining, the way the valley was lit. My goodness, it just took my breath away. I sat here. I mean, all of us just sat here, thinking, talking, and just gazing, just listening to music. Oh my God, it was something different. It was something really nice. And if you're coming here to Mood Village ever, try and find a spot for the night where you can stay. Definitely try and stay first of all. Try and find out a spot, and definitely spend some couple of hours in the evening on some nice spots. I would definitely recommend to come here at Pin Parvati and get yourself a stay here. But anyway, so our next stop is going to be Kaza, but I don't think we'll be staying in Kaza. We'll be dumping our luggage there and heading to, I think, Comic. I mean, that's still a very tentative plan. I think that will be decided on the way once we all are set and ready. So yeah, I'll see you at my next destination.